Happy Vlogmas Day 1. I can't believe it. Year 6. Let's do this. Hello everybody, Editing Sahar here. I just wanted to give a little disclaimer that I know it's the first day of Vlogmas. It's also my first time doing Vlogmas with my new camera. And with that does come some technical challenges. First of all, forgot my tripod at home in Dallas. So the camera might be a little shaky. I will work on that, I promise. I'll figure out how to make it more stable, whether that's in editing or while shooting. And also, I didn't take my mics out that I have on and off, but I now know that if I leave my dorm, I need my mics. Just wanted to go into the vlog with that warning, and then moving forward, I will adjust and make changes throughout the 25 days. But with that being said, enjoy Vlogmas Day 1. Okay. It is midnight, so I am going to sleep, but I will see y'all in the morning to start Vlogmas Day 1. Good morning, everyone. It's Vlogmas. I am a little late for class, so I am gonna grab all of this and head to class, and who knows, maybe I will see you there. Good morning, everyone. Happy Vlogmas Day 1. I'm on my way to class, and I have just one class today. I think plan for today is class and then the gym, and then after that we're good for the day. I do have a lot of work to do, but that's totally fine. I would like to get groceries sometime in the next couple of days. Alright, we are done with class. I also got my final moved up, so I get to go home earlier, which is really exciting because I didn't think I would be able to do that. Now I'm gonna head to the library and get some breakfast. I'm gonna place my order right now. I'm gonna try to knock some work out for this class, like get the homework done for what we just did, and then work on the next assignment so I don't have to worry about it at night. I still have $50 of campus money and like 30 meal swipes. Yeah, 29. So I have to use a lot of this up. I'm gonna be eating so much. Alright, we're at the library, like the first floor of the library, which is also our food hall. And I'm gonna try to get some work done and plan out the rest of my day. Got my breakfast. Celebrate the first day of Vlogmas and use up my $90. Here we are, just 4 chicken minis. This is really inconvenient because A, it's raining, B, I have to go back to my dorm because I'm wearing the wrong shoes and I want to do the 5K when I get to Lifetime, and C, my train leaves from right here, but I won't be able to just walk right here because I have to go back to my dorm. And it's raining. I don't know if I already said that. We are in my room. We're gonna head to Lifetime. I just needed some chill time here in my room before we left, just because I literally got back yesterday from Dallas. But here is everything that's gonna come with us. I'm actually gonna try to get some work done at Lifetime, just because they have a really nice like working area. At least the ones that I've been to, I've actually never been to this specific Lifetime. So I'm excited to check that out. But I'm just taking like laptop, iPad, planner, obviously I need my wallet. I actually am gonna try to work out with these wired headphones today because I have the new AirPods 4, and while they're great for just like walking around and stuff, they get really loose whenever I try to work out. So I'm gonna make sure I have that, and then when I do my 5K, which I guess I should give some context on that. So I'm doing like a charity 5K in a couple of weeks, and I'm not a runner, so this is me like training for that, and I love that it's in Vlogmas because I can like document everything. But with that being said, we need to head out. Okay, so the bus will be here in 20 minutes, so I need to leave now. But on the bus, I'm gonna make a grocery list because after Lifetime, we need to hit Target for some groceries. So I will see y'all probably at Lifetime. My 5K is done. The music is very loud. I just need to do the other half, but I'm doing it on a different treadmill because I've heard that this is better. Okay, I'm done at the gym. I was gonna take the bus, but the bus is an hour away, and I could just walk 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna do that. Very good gym session. I used the sauna. I used the showers, everything. I feel very refreshed. Not that cold outside. Alright, I'll see y'all at Target. Welcome to Target, y'all. We're here. We're gonna get everything we need for hopefully the rest of my time here in San Antonio for the semester. Alright, let's start with pomegranates because I be eating one of those a day. So I'm gonna pick some of those up. Yo, Mac put me onto these. Oh, they're so good. And like, they're only $3. So I don't think I'll ever get used to vlogging in public. I do also want a beverage for right now. I think I'm gonna get an Alani or the Bloom Winter. Yo, okay, if you know anything about Alani's, you know that they have their seasonal drink, the Winter Wonderland drink. And it says that they have it here. Oh my god, I'm gonna buy like... Okay, it's buy 5 for 12, so I'm gonna get 5. Okay, I didn't end up getting 5. I just ended up getting 2, and then maybe when I go home, I can get the 5 for 12. Because I'll be home before I know it. So I don't want it to just like sit, especially because I'm moving and everything. We are back on campus. I'm so hungry, so I think I'm literally gonna take... Shoot, I have milk. I'm gonna drop this off, and then I'm gonna turn right back around and go to the dining hall so I can get a snack. Alani new Winter Wonderland holiday flavor taste test. This is so good. All right. I'm gonna drink this, then we're gonna go grab a snack. I'm gonna see if I can last until like 6, 7. Just cause then, you know, like going back and forth, it's a lot. Y'all, this is so niche, but one of my favorite series on YouTube is this guy, what's his name? Connor the Waffle. And he does the Weird World of Power Rangers blank. And my favorite Power Rangers series was Power Rangers Samurai because that was like actively coming out while I was a child. So I have been waiting because he only posts one video every 2 months about Power Rangers. Great. And so now Samurai's here. So I was gonna go to the dining hall to get a snack, but then I just had dinner because I felt like it, to be honest. Now I'm gonna clear off this section of my desk because I'm gonna cut out my pomegranate. And so to do that, I need to get everything out. Y'all, Pomegranate is my favorite fruit, like 100%. I wasn't sure if it was, but like literally I could eat a full pomegranate every day. I'm gonna get everything ready and we'll probably end up time lapsing. Change because I didn't want any pomegranate juice to get on my new shirt, but I still have 2 left. This is a problem for another day, so I'm just gonna put these to the side and put them in the fridge. I'm gonna wash my cutting board and my cutting utensil because I don't know if I'm allowed to say the other word on YouTube, but I'm gonna wash both of these, wipe down my desk, and then homework? I don't know. Maybe I'll go for a walk or something. We gotta do this again. There's no water in my kettle, so I'm gonna go fill it up and put more so I can have my tea. Okay, now I have to refill my ice because it's been empty since I got here. Also, while I'm watching, or before I edit, I'm watching Vanderpump Rules. I think that's a wrap on Vlogmas Day 1. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2. And for the rest of Vlogmas. It's like I've never done this before. I don't know why I was like that in the very end. But make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what one of your essentials is for the month of December. Like, if you were like me and at the grocery store today, what would you get? If I didn't already have it, I would make sure to get throat coat tea. But yeah, that's my essential, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for another vlog.